It's 9:38 a.m. So good thing it hasn't rained yet. But so ooh. So my ankles, see, they're still swollen. And he has his arm, his elbow ain't hanging out the window. He got all that junk with him, but I see him. So and his truck stink. The SUV, it stinks too. So they hurry up and leaving. As soon as I like, what you in a hurry for? As soon as I walk by, dark windows. Hi.
Hello.
So I don't know if the manager from this other job is supposed to call me today. You know. Ooh, something smells like super sweet. It smells like strong smells like strong birthday cake. Ooh. Oh, flies and that's trying to. So it hasn't rained yet, but it's supposed to look like it's gonna rain, and it's supposed to rain all week this week. So now I'm feeling bothered because this supposed targeted individual, hold on, wait. See how there was no music, and then when I get nearby, they suddenly turn on the fake music? Told you this fake O'Reilly's participates in gang stalking. So y'all saw that there was no music until I passed by. No music until I passed by. And he getting in his car when I get nearby. Yeah, he leaves when I pass by. Dang. All this manufactured fake construction. So what I was trying to say was this. Come on, man. This supposed targeted individual. She's supposedly from New Orleans, like me, and she used to support me and help me out. And I never even asked her for anything, but she donated a few times, but I never asked her for anything. And it seemed like, see, this is a gang stalker right here. Look, why do they both of them pull off when I walk nearby? Y'all don't see what they're doing? So, and I don't know if she got her phone aimed at me or filming me. So, I mean, I'm feeling, hi. So, I don't know, it's like, I'm feeling like wow, now that I come to settle over here, they want to make their noise. So, I feel like an emotional stab to the heart. Because how can people talk about loving everybody and supporting? Hold up. They waited. See, they waited till I get by and try to settle down to start with their freaking noise harassment. They don't want me to get out what I'm trying to say. Y'all see this? They're making this revolve around and he or she tinted windows. So this so-called target individual, she was supportive and nice and helpful, and she used to call me a hometown sister and everything like that, and she donated a few times. Hold up. See, they're doing this on purpose. So y'all, other target individuals, y'all can see, y'all catch on to what they're doing. So they trying to interrupt my video on purpose. It's like they're starting all that noise, the moment I come back over here. It's like they waited for me to come back over here. So y'all noticed that the truck didn't start to the forklift or whatever didn't start to make noise until I came and tried to settle over here. And then once, just like earlier, if they're doing too much. I can't even say what I need to say. They're manipulating and playing a game. So this is what they're doing to try to shut me up, y'all. Wow, I think it is about to trying to rain. I can't go to the library. So see, they got quiet now. So I'm saying I'm feeling like an emotional stab to the chest. I mean, emotional stab to the heart. Because this supposed targeted individual used to be nice and supportive of me. I never asked her for anything, but she donated to me a few times and used to call me hometown sister and stuff. And so I guess I'll have to be forced to wait till later to tell the damn story.